the city of Cleveland is it's a football city. When the Cleveland Browns do well, that city thrives.
For sure.
It really affects the totality of a city. The Cavaliers, yes, it happens. The Guardians, sure. But the Cleveland Browns, Cleveland is a football city. And when you are there and you see the impact that Cleveland Browns have and the players have on a city, it's truly, you look at it and you go, man, we just want to win. We just want to find that one special talent that sets us apart from everybody else. And I don't know if it's culture. I don't know if it's ownership. I don't know if it's GM, coaching. I don't know if it's the whole thing. I don't know what it is about the Cleveland team on why we can't get over this fact that we can't get our franchise quarterback. I mean, you see the jerseys. I'm tired of seeing the jerseys. I'm tired of the names just going and going and going. Who's the next guy? Oh, we got Brandon Weeden. Oh my God, he's going to be our guy. I literally thought Brandon Weeden was going to be our guy at one point. And then I'll never forget I think it was a preseason game. A flag goes over his head and he's trying to get out of the flag.
You knew it was
while
over.
they're doing the national anthem. And I'm like, oh my God,
then.
this is my starting quarterback?
Yeah, it was over right then.
Deshaun Kaiser. Remember him?
Yep.
Oh my God, he was the guy. Brady Quinn.
Yeah.
I celebrated. I was like, yes, give it to me. Here we go. I mean, Derek Anderson. I can go on and on
Spurgeon
and
win.
on about how many quarterbacks we've been through. Baker Mayfield. Oh, do you know how much of a dagger in my heart that was when we got rid of Baker Mayfield?
What a playoff game.
I mean, yeah, I still don't get it to this day. It's almost like what I watched on Netflix with the quarterbacks with Kirk Cousins saying, don't let your backups go in, or watching him play injured because he wants to play through the injuries, but he's not doing what he needs to do, and he's not getting well. He's not getting healthy. He's throwing interceptions. And I feel like the same thing happened with Baker Mayfield, and then it got him ousted from Cleveland, had to go to Carolina. I think he was playing defensive reps, and then literally got humbled, goes to the Bucs, and now he's just, I mean, now we're looking at Bucs as a top 10 team in the NFL. Yeah. I've hung out with him at the American Century Championship. That's a guy I want in my locker room. I want that guy in my locker room.
You were shotgunning beers with Baker?
We were playing a game called baseball. Okay. I don't know if you've ever played this game, right?
I have not.
It's like beer pong and flip cup, all wrapped up in one. Get this crew, right? TJ Oshie.
Okay.
Myself.
Okay.
Jason Kelce.
All right.
Travis Kelce.
Yep.
Miles Teller.
Mytel.
I mean, these are the teams, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty great. Baker Mayfield.
Yeah.
Trevor Lawrence.
A lot of beers.
We're playing this game, and so what you have to do is there's four cups stacked, right?
Okay.
On each side. First base, second base, third base, fourth base, right?
Home run. Yeah.
Home run, yes. And then there's 2 cups on the side, and a player can steal. Like, say if I hit it in the first cup, that's a single. But then a guy can run, grab a cup, drink a beer, and flip it, and the other guy has to get it before. Now, if you flip it before him, that's a stolen base. He goes to second. But if he gets it before you, that's an out.
Oh, fun.
So you play 9 innings. And let me tell you, playing with Travis Kelce, like, he's like jacking you up, and you're like, oh man, okay, here we go. It was the funnest time I've ever had, and we were having so much fun, and just watching everyone around. And by the way, no cameras,
Nope.
no one filming anything. Like, it was just guys hanging out, having fun, enjoying the off season, and just doing what you do, you know. And it was one of the, I mean, I have such fond memories. There was trophies. We had hats this year. Like, and everyone's ready for this thing. It is the best time. And playing with him, and I got to play with Baker Mayfield at American Century Championship, got to do 18 holes with him. And literally, he started playing music, and I was like, what is this? And he's like, dude, it's Big Booty Mix 15. And I'm like, what is Big Booty Mix 15? But I'll tell you what, we were
26 Big
dancing in the
Booty
middle
Mixes.
of the fairways. But we weren't playing very well, by the way. You can see this all on Miz Golf, by the way. Myself playing with Rich Eisen. I got to play with George Kittle. I mean, it is one of the most fun weekends that you will have, the American Century Championship. I mean, you have Travis Kelce doing karaoke, Jason Kelce doing karaoke.
I saw a video
I
of
mean,
that.
the weekend is unbelievable, but sitting there and talking with Baker, hearing his stories, hearing his story of just having a chip on his shoulder, you know, trying to prove everyone wrong. It reminds me of myself. Like, even in WWE, I feel like I'm still trying to have, you know, I still have a chip on my shoulder. I still have people saying, he's done all these things, but, you know, he's past his prime. I'm not past my prime. I'm still in my prime, and I feel great. I feel better than everybody. So I'm having a blast out there, but man, it irks me that we lost Baker Mayfield.
Catch the Rich Eisen Show live weekdays from 12 to 3 p.m. Eastern on Roku Sports Channel in the U.S.